Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs healthy easy guide. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and use minimal oil or a light spray to prevent sticking. Choose a healthy oil like olive or avocado and limit to 1 teaspoon per egg. Cook eggs gently until whites set and yolks are still soft for the best texture. Finish with herbs, a squeeze of lemon, and a pinch of salt to brighten flavors. Start by using fresh eggs and consider mixing in 1 or 2 egg whites to reduce calories while keeping protein. Add diced vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, or peppers for fiber and nutrients. Use a small non-stick skillet and cook over medium-low heat to avoid burning and reduce oil absorption. Try basting with a tablespoon of broth when cooking for moist eggs without extra fat and season with pepper and fresh herbs. Choose oils with high smoke points and heart-healthy fats such as olive or avocado oil, using just a teaspoon or 2. Alternatively, try cooking sprays or a teaspoon of butter for flavor with less fat. Consider pan temperature and timing to keep yolks runny if desired, or fully cook for lower risk. Pair your fried egg with whole grain toast, a side salad, or sliced avocado to add fiber and balance macronutrients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.